Good afternoon. My name is Maria Fernanda Alvarez Ramirez. My end of the story. Then Susanna felt very sad to see her great love already with another person, and even more so to realize that in the past he insisted so much on her and she did not know how to value it. She felt very hungry, but then she understood that in December to be happy. Leave this. Don't go to her since he was a very good person and a December is. Thank you.